Hey, this is Brian with WTI, and here I have my GFCC green screen background. It's really nice because I use it for my Zoom meetings, and I also take pictures and make videos with it. As you can see here, it's a very heavy sheet, and it works very fine. So right now I am sitting on a chair with my green screen on the back, and I hope it's something that you can see the quality. It's the best that you can get, and you can wash it on the washing machine, so it's perfect. And as you can see here, it's a very normal sheet, and the only thing that is different from a normal sheet is the color. It's a normal green, the typical green that everybody uses for chroma key, right? Oh, let's try this. Okay, you can be under the water, or you can be racing your favorite car, and the imagination is your limit. So I approve it, I love it, I have used it on many projects, and that's my point of view.